Hey everyone, want to manage multiple email addresses but don't want hassle of creating and logging into separate accounts? In this video, I'll show you how to create and use multiple addresses in one Gmail account. Let's get started. First, go to Gmail and sign into your account, and then here click the gear icon in the top right, then click See All Settings. Then in the menu, click Accounts and Imports. Then here scroll down to Send Mail As and click Another Email Addresses. Here you can link another Gmail or even a different provider like Yahoo or Outlook. After adding, Gmail will send a verification, and once confirmed, you can send and receive emails from multiple addresses all inside your one Gmail inbox. And that's it. With this method, you can connect multiple email addresses into one Gmail account and switch between them easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.